Namaskaram. Welcome back to error handling questions. Rewrite the following code in Python after removing all syntax errors. Underline each correction done in the code. Here is your question. See the first statement. N equal to input number of elements. See here number of elements is given. User is asked to input number of elements. What will be the data type? Integer. But this input function will return a string. So you have to convert into integer using int function. Int of input number of elements. Then go for the next statement. For I in range n. See here lowercase n is given. But we are supposed to give this n here in range. So give uppercase n here. The argument of the range function is a number. So from this also you can make sure here you need to convert this input into integer. So underline the corrections. Second one. Okay. The next statement n equal to lowercase n equal to eval input element. See the brackets, eval is not closed. You have to close it. Underline the correction. Then go for the next statement, L dot append n. You are going to append the value of this n to a list. Then what is L? It is not defined. Before using any variable, you have to define it. So define the list L. L equal to empty list. Then underline this also. Now it is okay. Then come to the next statement, print L. No error. So total 4 errors. 1, 2, 3 and 4. Okay. Next question. First statement n equal to 10. No error. Then next statement if n equal to 5 or 8. What is wrong with this? If you want to compare whether n equal to 5 or n equal to 8. You have to give the comparison in both the places. That is, here also you have to give n double equal to. So, underline the correction. Then come to the next statement. Print no. No error. The next statement. Else if n double equal to 10. Can I use like this in Python? No. If you want to use else if, you have to give the keyword elif. Elif n equal to 10. Underline the correction. Then come to the next line. Print s. Correct only. Then next statement else. What is missing here? Colon is missing. Underline. Then print unknown. What is wrong with this? Yes. Unknown is a string. So you have to put quotes. Okay. So how many errors? 1, 2, 3 and 4. It is a 2 marks question, so usually there will be 4 errors. Next one, while I less than or equal to 10. Is there any error? Yes, I is not defined. Before using a variable, you have to define that variable. Define the variable I with some value, I equal to some value. I gave 5. Okay. Then again, while I less than or equal to 10. At the end of the while loop, you have to put colon. So this is the second error. Then come to the body of the while loop. If I equal to 5. Which equal to you have to use here? Double equal to. Here it is comparison. Okay. If I equal to 5, break. Is it correct? No. Break is a keyword. Here you have to use lowercase b, break. Underline this also. The next line, I plus equal to 1. Correct only, augmented assignment operator is used. Okay, so total 4 errors. Next question, a comma b equal to 5. Is it the way to assign same value for more than one variables? No. If we want to assign 5 For this A and B, you have to give A equal to B equal to 5. Underline the correction. The next statement, P equal to 10. Here the value 10 is assigned to the variable P. So which operator you have to use here? Assignment operator equal to. Underline the correction. Next statement. What is wrong with this statement? If A greater than or equal to P or B less than P. Yes, at the end of this statement you need a colon. Underline the correction. Then print A, B, P. No error. Then come to the else statement. Else. Colon is missing. Underline. The next statement. Print P, B, A. Correct only. So total 4 errors. Okay. The next question. Global equal to 5. See, here global is a keyword. A keyword cannot be used as variable name or identifier. So if you want to use the same name global, you have to change the case. Now I can use this global as identifier or variable name. Okay. So global equal to 5. Underline. Then next statement, def fun. At the end of function header, there is colon. Put the colon. Underline. The next statement, local equal to 2. What about local? Is it a keyword? No. I can use this local as variable name. Local equal to 2. Then next statement, print global, local. Here also G is uppercase. Underline. Then what is given outside this function? Local equal to fun. Function fun is called and the return value of this function is stored in variable local. So in function body we have to give return statement. Return local. The value returned by this function is stored in variable local when the function fun is called. Okay. Underline this correction. The next statement, print global, local. Here G is in capital. What about local? Here also it is uppercase L. Okay. Underline the corrections. So we have discussed different types of questions from find the errors. It is very simple. You can score 2 marks very easily.